Classification of taxes. It is classified to enable citizens to be aware of the many charges that he or she needs to pay to support the government. Taxes are classified into the following bases. According to object. Personal tax is fixed amount imposed on individuals residing within a specified territory, regardless of their property, occupation, and business in which they may be engaged in. Property tax is paid based on the value of the property to be levied. It is imposed by municipalities or cities to individuals whose properties are within its jurisdiction. Consumption tax is levied on goods and services that people consume from the market. This tax is usually passed on to consumers by adding the amount of the tax to be paid on the price of the goods or services. According to who bears the burden. Direct tax is paid by a person directly. Indirect tax is paid indirectly by an individual to the government through intermediaries such as goods and services. According to the determination of the amount of tax to be paid. A specific tax is imposed on goods based on its quantity or by other standards of measurements. Ad valorem. Latin phrase means according to the value. This tax is imposed on goods based on their value according to purpose. General tax is imposed for the general needs of the government, such as to raise revenue for public expenditures. A special tax is imposed for special purposes like regulations and maintenance of the public services. According to scope or authority imposing the tax. National tax is imposed by the national government. Local tax is imposed by municipal corporation or local government units. According to the tax system, proportional tax is imposed at the fixed percentage of the taxable object's market price. With this, the tax rate of the good remains fixed even if the prices of the goods increases. Progressive tax rate increases as the price of the good or tax increases. Regressive tax rate decreases as the price of the goods or tax increases. This means that the tax rate and the tax base. Other terms related to tax. First is the revenue. Second is the custom duty. Third is the internal revenue. Fourth is the toll. Fifth is the debt. Sixth is the penalty. Revenue refers to all income or profit gained by a person, a company, or an organization from its business activity. Customs duty refer to the tax or tariff imposed on goods exported to other countries. Internal revenue refer to the government's income from the taxes and duty collected locally and domestically. The toll is a fee demanded for the use of the property of other person or property entity. This is different from tax, which is demanded for all provision and use of public services. Debt is an amount of money owed to a person or a company that is to be paid or agreed upon in a contract. Penalty is a pecuniary sanction imposed on the taxpayer when he or she failed to pay his or her levies on time.